Hello everyone, today we will study about universal electron carriers. In the previous video we have seen the different or various groups of universal electron carriers. Now we will see one by one each electron carriers. Okay, so first of all NAD plus and NADP plus. The full name of NAD plus and NADP plus is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Okay, both this coenzyme act with dehydrogenase, that is also known as oxidoreductase, as soluble electron carriers. They are composed of two nucleotides joined together through their phosphate group by a phosphoanhydride bond. See here the structure of nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. See here two nucleotides. This is the nicotinamide ring and and this is adenine nucleotide. So these two nucleotides are joined together by phosphoanhydride bond. And the vitamins, niacin is the source of this nicotinamide ring in this nicotinamide nucleotide. Okay, and both the coenzymes undergo reversible reduction of the nicotinamide ring. Actually the nicotinamide ring only participate in the reduction reaction. Okay, the oxidized form of NAD plus and NADP plus accept a hydride ion. Remember it, they accept a hydride ion, that means two electrons with a proton, and the second proton removed from the substrate is released in the aqueous solvent. That's why we write it NADH plus H plus, because one proton is released in the soluble water, aqueous solvent. Okay, so the reaction takes place like this: NAD plus accept two electrons along with a proton in the form of hydride ion and reduced into NADH, and one proton is released in the aqueous solvent. Same for the NADP plus, accept two electrons along with a proton in the form of hydride ion, and one proton is released in the aqueous solvent, and there is formation of NADPH. See here, only this in the whole structure, only this nicotinamide ring participate in reduction reaction. It accepts two electrons along with one proton in the form of hydride ion like this, and one proton is released in the aqueous solvent. Okay, so actually reduction of this NAD plus and NADP plus converts this benzoid ring of nicotinamide with fixed positive charge on nitrogen ion. You can see here this proton is added over here, so because of that there is forming positive charges on the nitrogen atom. Okay, now this is the structure of NAD plus, and whenever this hydroxyl group in this adenine nucleotide is replaced with or esterified with phosphate group, then this structure becomes the structure of NADP plus. That is the only difference between the structure of NAD plus and NADP plus, that is the presence of additional phosphate group in adenine nucleotide at carbon number 2 of pentose sugar. Okay. Now the total concentration of NAD plus and NADH in most tissues is about 10 to the power minus 5 molar, and that of NADP plus NADPH is about 10 to the power 6 molar. Okay, in many cells and tissues the ratio of NAD plus and NADH is very high. By contrast, NADPH is generally high in the cell or tissues, and it favor transfer of hydride from NADH to a substrate. Okay, that means here the concentration of NAD plus is high, and in case of here the concentration of NADPH is very high. This reflects NAD plus generally function in oxidation reactions obviously, and accept electrons from the substrate during oxidation reaction and reduced into NADH, whereas and they act as a part of catabolic reactions. Okay, whereas NADPH is the usual coenzyme in the reduction reaction as a part of anabolic reactions, because in reduction reactions it donate electrons to the substrate, and there is formation of synthesis of a molecule. That's why it take part in anabolic reactions. Now these two coenzymes are also segregated in specific organelles in eukaryotes. For example, oxidation of fuel pathways like DCA pathway is there and beta oxidation is there. Okay, where NAD plus act as an electron carrier and reduced into NADH. Whereas all the synthetic reaction, reductive biosynthetic reactions mostly takes place in cytosol, where NADPH provides electron for the reductive biosynthesis. That means these two coenzymes forms two distinct electron carrier pools in segregated organelles, that is mitochondrial matrix and cytosol. And as I have already told you that these coenzymes these coenzymes actually bind with enzymes and act as oxidoreductase or dehydrogenase enzyme. So more than 200 enzymes are there in which NAD plus or NADP plus act as a coenzyme, and they are loosely bind to their enzyme so that they can freely move from one enzyme to another enzyme. That's why they are the soluble, water soluble electron carriers.